shit. You okay? Man, that was a close one. Alright, so this morning we welded on a V-band flange, looks sort of like this, onto the stock NA 944 mid pipe or cat pipe, whatever you want to call it. Okay, so I know it looks like crap, but we're gonna take this V-band and we're gonna tack it into place, and then we'll just do the best we can. Put your sunglasses on. Yeah. I mean, if I mess up, it's not a huge deal. I can weld at this point fairly consistently, so fixing my mistakes isn't that big of an issue, but we like to have as few mistakes as possible. So, okay. I'll get to cutting and measuring, and I'll probably tack together a prototype, and then if I like the way it fits, then we'll weld it on up, and that section of the build will be done. Probably not the best some of you have ever seen, but not the worst either. Here's where the SPA turbo manifold exits. I've got the T3 to V-band flange adapter on there right now. And if we get out here, you can probably get both of them in one frame. That's where the mid pipe comes out. So, looking at it right now, we've got sort of an angle. So what I'm thinking I'm gonna do, actually you can probably see them both from this angle right here. The mid pipe is shooting off to our left, and the SPA manifold pretty much comes straight down. So what I think I'm going to do is actually, I mean, it goes in pretty much a straight line if you look at it from this angle. So I don't know how I'm going to do this. It'll be tricky, but I mean, we'll make it work. I'm basically going to make like an L. I'm going to come as straight down as possible from the turbo manifold, and then I'll make some sort of angle or pie cut to go and be basically perpendicular with the subframe. So yeah, I don't know. We'll figure it out. Best to cut this much off of this pipe in a long section. So let's give it a shot. And then we'll see how far off we are. See if this fits. Gosh, I'm scared I cut the wrong side. Oh yeah. Okay, so got the V-band fitted on the downpipe that I've kind of made. I kind of made this. All right, I bought it from online, right? I cut this piece off. It's a set that allows you to basically, you get two things. You get the one that I've already hacked up, and then you get one that looks like this. It's a series of bends and straightaways in common exhaust tube sizes that allow you to create different shapes. So what I'm doing with this is I'm just taking this 90 and I'm coming from my manifold and I'm going right to my mid-pipe. Simple, really, really freaking simple, except there's one teensy little part that I'm going to kind of try to get complicated on you guys. So right here I've marked out, come on. Right here I've marked out a piece that I'm going to cut, and basically I'm going to cut this off so that it fits flush with mid-pipe and the V-band flange that I've already welded on. And then I'm going to try, at least, to take this section and put it over here. If I can't do that, I'll just cut a section off this and then I'll weld it in. Now, all you nerds out there and tell me, oh, it's not going to be circular. Well, the world's not a perfect circle. Nothing's perfect. But as long as I can get friggin' one of these on here, it's not going to matter, right? Jeez, I'm covered in bug bites, guys. The bugs are out. They're hungry. Sunset looks gorgeous. Probably can't see much because we're in video and I'm not optimizing the shutter speed and the aperture manually, but I mean, what a beautiful place to work, huh? Alright, so basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this, I'm going to set one end on the edge here so that's supported, and then the end that I'm welding right here is nice and set. So I've already fitted this up to the manifold, like I said, and basically all we're going to be doing is sealing this edge. And I'm not the best TIG welder in the world, you know, I'm a beginner, right? I'm just getting started, but you know, we're gonna do our best. We're gonna see what happens. This is a learning experience. That's why I bought this car, so we can learn how to do stuff, so that someday, hopefully, when I have a nicer project that maybe I want to take to SEMA or something, that I'll be able to do it properly. So here we go. Let's get this started.